The most dramatic thing you can do to make Windows 8 look like you is to think, hey, what's my favorite color? What kind of color schemes do I like? And then you can customize both your start menu and your lock screen. We'll explain what those are momentarily here. What we're going to do is we're going to come down to the bottom right-hand corner, go to our Charming Charms, click on Settings, and then go down here, Change PC Settings. And this brings up this little app where we can change our PC settings. And the one that we're really interested in right now is Personalize. We have three different things: our lock screen, our start screen, and our account picture. We're going to start with the lock screen. The lock screen is what you see when you first start up Windows, and whenever the Windows hibernates or goes to sleep, or you see some kind of screen come up. You can also hit a button to go to the lock screen. This lock screen includes, by default, a beautiful picture of Seattle, and that isn't really Seattle, it's a little exaggerated. The Space Needle, I'm from there, and I know the Space Needle is not that tall. We can scroll down here and we can see lock screen apps. What this does is you can see that we have the calendar up on our default lock screen. And these are the things that we have. We have messaging, we have mail, we have the calendar. So the idea is this, that when that lock screen is up, we can still get the important information that maybe we want. Just by glancing at it, we can see, hey, somebody's trying to send us a message. We can also add to this, and this is basically the default applications that we have with Microsoft. Calendar, mail, messaging, and looks like about the only one left is the weather, to find out what the weather is like. Instead of looking out the window, like I do many times, I look at the weather screen to see what the weather is like. And then down here, choose an app to display detailed status. And here we have the honeycomb. We have the geometric shapes. We have, looks like a train station and a helix here. And then pianos. So whichever one we want, we're going to check on this one. And you can see what a gorgeous start screen that would be. Looks really classic with the piano. It almost makes you want to play the piano on that. Okay, so that's the lock screen. The start screen is going to be a little bit different. What we have here is a lot of different kind of patterns. And these patterns are going to be kind of the same no matter what color scheme we have. And I'm going to just start here on the left-hand side. This one's going to be somewhat obvious. Now, if we like this color scheme, there's nothing wrong with that. Actually, I kind of like this one looking at it. And then we can change the background picture to one of these things called a tattoo. That can tattoo the background inside of our personalization screen. And as I go through here and change maybe to green, purple, light green, hot pink, and whatever color this is, you can see that we can change dramatically what the start screen looks like. And to take a look at that, we will take a look at that in just a second here. The account picture. Here I have this sappy looking picture, and we can also go to the camera to change the picture on the camera. Actually live type 5-second video if we'd like that. Now, as promised, what we're going to do is close this, and then you're going to see right there that we have dramatically changed our start screen, and that is Personalize with Windows 8.